What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to use a trade-up contract in CS2. I'm going to break down what the odds are for each trade-up potential and, show you a site that you can use to calculate the odds for each potential trade-up contract you do. So what I have here are 10 of these white skins here, these white quality skins. And as you can see, if I hover over this skin right here, you'll see the whole collection for it. So the qualities that are the worst are at the top and the best are at the bottom. So it starts off with these white quality ones, then there's light blues, then there's blues, and then there's a purple one. So in order to get one of these light blues, you'll have to trade up 10 of these white skins. So basically that's what a trade up contract is. You trade up 10 of a lower quality skin to get one higher quality skin, and there is potential in making profit this way because, as you can see, each of these have their own collection. Well, some of them are actually from the same collection. As you can see, this is also from the same collection as the UMP Urban DD Pet, which I don't even have, so I don't know why it says I own that, but anyways, yeah, so you can see you can get different light blue skins from each one. So what do I mean by the odds? This is where it kind of comes into play. I'm going to pull up this site real quick. So this is a trade-up contract calculator. So basically you can put in all the skins that I just put in right here, all my white skins, and you can just see the odds of what you're going to get out of the trade-up contract. So there's a 3% chance I get the Op Safari Mesh, or a 3.77% chance, the Desert Eagle Mutter, FAMAS Cyano Spatter, and if you scroll down you can see the odds of each skin. And there are so many because as you saw before, all those skins are from a different collection. So because they're all from different collections, all these light blues are all possibilities now. And that's how you kind of play with making profit on these. You can have one skin out of the 10 that's from like a really good collection, and then put 9 out of the 10 from a crappier collection, and then hopefully you get the light blue or the blue or the purple or the red, from the good collection. In that case, you make a lot of profit from that trade-up contract. So that's kind of the whole thing. Maybe you could have 2 from the good collection and then 8 from the crappy collections. You can still make profit that way. So that's where these calculators kind of come into play. You see the odds and you can see what you want to risk, what you want to gamble. There's money to be made, money to be lost. It is gambling at the end of the day. But in my case, I have all these white skins that are dropped, which are the shittiest quality skin, and I just want like a playable one, because these are all pretty ugly, and then these light blue ones are actually, some of them are pretty nice. Like I do have this high beam. This one's nice. I have this one already. But I would like the Safari Mesh. The Nitro's alright, the Orange Peel's cool, the Boreal Forest is nice, but I would love this Safari Mesh. And Op Skin, I like this one too. For a light blue and Op Skin, that's great. I would like that. So let me go back to the game and let's go into using one of these trade-up contracts. So let me clear items. Let me go back to my inventory. So you can also just click up here, Trade Up, when you're on the inventory section of the main menu here. So you click Trade Up and then you just click one of the skins that you want to trade up of the quality. So if you want to trade up whites to light blues, just click one of the whites, then use a trade up contract, and here we go. So now we can just double click all these, or just click use with all these. Yep, I'm ready to trade up, and let's proceed. Okay, not bad. I don't mind this one. MP9 Orange Peel. I don't have an MP9 skin, but what I do want to mention is you can see there is some wear on this. So the wear of the skins you have in the trade-up contract matter. So the higher, like the more factory new skins you have in the trade-up contract, the higher chance of you getting a factory new skin as the result of it. If you have a bunch of battle scarred ones, like I did, you're gonna get a skin with a bunch of wear. So that's not that great. We could take a look at what quality it is now. Let's go back to the inventory. You'll see the new ones here. And it's just a plain old field tested. Because I had a lot of field tested, battle scarred. I had a few minimal wear ones, but not many factory new white ones. So I can't be expecting to get a factory new light blue. So that's basically the thing here. And yeah, this is now my skin. So if I were to try to use this with the trade-up contract, you could see I would be either getting the FAMAS Teardown, 5/7 Silver Quartz, or the Scout Acid Fade. So the next level is dark blue. Hope that's clear, guys. Drop any comments or any questions you got in the comments. Drop a like if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.